Welcome children. So children, we have already learned about weight and different units of weight also. Here I am going to explain addition of kilogram and gram. Let's start. So look here children, question is what is the total weight of two packets of sugar? So here you can see this one is big packet and big and heavy packet, and the weight of this packet is 600 gram, and here the weight of this packet is 200 gram. So you have to find the total weight. For finding the total weight, what you have to do, you have to do addition. So look here children, what is written? Gram is written. Here again gram is written. So what's our first step? We have to write the unit. So here you can see I have written the unit gram. Okay, after that I have written 600 first weight and then 200 second weight. Okay, after adding these two weights we are getting 800 gram. So total weight of the two packets of the sugar is 800 gram. Moving to the next page. So look here children, there are two bags of rice. One bag weighs 220 kg and other weighs 200 kg. Find the total weight of two bags. So what we have to do, here you can see what is the weight of this big and heavy bag. The weight of big and heavy bag is 220 kg, and here you can see this bag weight is 200 kg. Okay, so your first step is to check the unit. Here you can see kg is written and here again kg is written. So our first step is to write the unit at the top. So I have written kg over here. Next step, write the weight. So here I have written 220 under kg column and 200 again under kg. So after adding these two we are getting 420, thus the total weight of the two bags is 420 kg. Moving to the next page. So look here children, this one is the third question, and question is find total weight of these fruits. So you have to find the total weight of these fruits, and the weight of this apple is 160 gram and the weight of this watermelon, heavy and big watermelon, is 2 kg. So what you have to do, you have to do addition for finding total weight. So look here children, what is written? Gram is written here. What is written? Kg is written, means we have different units. Okay, so what I will do, my first step is to write the unit. So here I have written kg and here I have written gram. Okay, so after that what I have written, I have written 2 kg. You can see here 2 under kg column I have written, and here I have written 00 grams. Children, note that write gram in 3 digits. Okay, so here I have written 0000 3 times. Next step, add this 160 grams. So here you can see how many kg is written. No kg is written in case of an apple. So it means we have 0 kg 160 grams. So here you can see under kg column I have written 0, below 2, and under gram column I have written 160 gram, and after adding these two weights we are getting 2 kg 160 gram as the answer. You can see here 2 is written under kg column and 160 is written under gram column. So here our answer is total weight of the fruit is 2 kg 160 gram. Moving to the next page. So look here children, add 9 kg 155 gram and 28 kg 150 gram. So what we have to do here, we have to do addition. So now children, you can see here this one 9 kg 155 gram is your first addend and 28 kg 150 gram is your second addend. So for addition, first step is to write the units. Here you can see kg is written and here gram, so I have written kg and gram over here. Okay, so before kg you can see what is written, 9 is written, so I have written 9 over here, 9 under kg column, and before gram 155 is written, so I have written 155 under gram column. Now next weight is 28 kg 150 gram. Okay, so here you can see 28 is written before kg, so I have written 28 under kg column below 9, and next 150 is written before gram, so I have written 150 under gram column below 155. Okay, so after, how you have to do addition? First you have to add weight of grams and then you have to add kg. Okay, now 5 plus 0 equals 5, 5 plus 5 equals 10, 0 we will write here, and 100 gram means 1 will be added to the next column. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So here we have 305. Now move to the kg column. So 9 plus 8 equals 17. 7 I have written over here and 1 I have written here. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So here our answer is 37 kg 305 gram. Moving to the next page. Now look here children, our question is add 99 kg 55 gram and 28 kg 50 gram. So our first step is to write the unit. So here you can see kg and gram. So I have written kg and gram over here at the top. Now next step, write the weight. So you can see here before kg we have 99, so I have written 99 under kg column, and before gram we have 55, so I have written 055 under gram column because we have to write gram in 3 digits. Okay, so moving to the next weight, look here, 28 is written before kg, so I have written 28 under kg column below 99, and here 50 gram is written, so I have written 050 under gram column. Okay, so what is our next step? So we have to do addition. We have to first add gram to gram, and after that we have to add kg column. Okay, now look here, 5 plus 0 equals 5, 5 plus 5 equal 10, so written, and 100 gram means 1 will be added to the next column, so 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. Now moving to the kg column, 9 plus 8 equals 17, 7 I have written over here, and 10 kg means 1 will be added to the next column, so 1 plus 9 plus 2 equals 12, so I have written 127 kg 105 gram. Here you can see 127 is under kg column and 105 under gram column, so our answer is 127 kg 105 gram. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.